everyone, it is Michelle Litwiller here with Owl Star Stampers. I am super excited today to do a little bit of a different video with you. So I got this really fun package in, and we're going to take a few minutes and open it up, and I can't wait to show you what's inside of here. So what we have been doing is we have been in the process of updating my Etsy store. There's all kinds of shirts and different colors on the store, and my husband Ryan has been getting even some more products. So I'm going to open this package with you on this video and show you some of the products and go over some of the other things that you can find in the online store. Before we open up the package, I want to show you one of the new products, which is a poster that you can get. Now, the poster will come rolled up, and so you will need to provide your own frame, or you can just tack it on the wall how you want. But you can get this poster in two different sizes. You can get it in 11 by 14 or a 16 by 20. And so I have mine framed in a white frame, and if you'd like to see the frame I got, I can link it to my Amazon store. But here is the poster. This is the 11 by 14. Sorry about the glare. It says, "Today is a great day to make cards." Isn't that so cute? I just absolutely love this, and I love the white frame. It really makes the lettering pop. So you can also get this in a 16 by 20 size if you want it even bigger. So this is, again, in my Etsy store, and you can purchase that. All right, let me turn the camera down, and we're going to open up the package so I can show you what is inside of here. So let me grab some scissors, and let's check it out. So I haven't seen these either, so this will be exciting. All right, so here we have some fun colors. Okay, so let me grab this. This is a dark purple, and this is for my daughter, Caitlin. So she has a logo shirt. This is like, I don't know if it looks a little blue. This is a true purple. It looks like gorgeous grape. To me, our cardstock, it's like, it's a little bit darker than gorgeous grape. But this is a purple color. I do have a light on. Let me hold it up and change the camera view, so maybe the light directly on the table won't. There we go. This is like the true color of it. It's a purple, and so you can pick. This is one of the color choices that you can pick in the new shirts. So we have 7 new t-shirt designs, and so this is one of them. 2 are a logo, so one looks like this. And then let's see what else we have here. Maybe I'll just do it this way so you can see the true colors. Okay, here is the same. This is for me. The same shirt, but a different color. This is like a teal color, and it's the same logo type. So so there's that one. I love this color. This kind of reminds me of the new In Color Summer Splash. So that's what this one is. And then I have this shirt right here. This is a pink, and it's not a light pink and it's not a bright pink. It's kind of somewhere in the middle, and it says creative. So there's that. All right, so what else do I have to share with you? So like I said, there's 7 new t-shirt designs. There's 5 different colors. So here's 3 of the colors: the purple, the teal, and the pink. Can't remember the other colors offhand, but check them out. I think there's a berry, and just go to the store and check them out. They're really fun colors. And then some of the other shirts, let me tell you the designs. The one says creative. We have one that says crafty lady. We have one that says today is a great day to make cards. So it's like the same font that you'll have on the poster. You can get that in a t-shirt. And again, you can get them in any of these 5 colors. There's a shirt that says scrapbooking is my therapy. And then there's one that says card making is my therapy. So lots of different choices in t-shirts. There's a lot of different sizes you can select, and then also the different colors. What is new about this time is that if you order at least $35 or more, you're going to get free shipping. So this is something new that Ryan was able to figure out and add. So I hope you have so much fun shopping and getting some new swag and logoed stuff, or even just some fun t-shirts, or maybe a new poster for your craft room. And then don't forget the free shipping on $35 or more. So thank you for checking out my Etsy store. I hope you love your purchases, if those of you that get anything, and thank you so much for all of your support.